How to withdraw money from CoinMarketCap to another wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from CoinMarketCap to another wallet. If you want to withdraw money, now if you log into your account first on CoinMarketCap, you'll be headed on the base coinmarketcap.com and log in. You can either head into the app and log in as well. However, once you're done, you can head into your portfolio section, and on the portfolio you'll find whatever assets you have, and if you tap on it you'll find the option to remove, and you can find the option to transfer. However, you'll not find the option to get any money to sell the crypto and get the money. Now unfortunately you cannot directly withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. Now why so? CoinMarketCap is actually primarily a cryptocurrency price tracking and data aggregation platform. It is not an exchange or wallet where you can store or trade cryptocurrencies. So you can't transfer money from CoinMarketCap to any wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.